our letter of the day is the letter I. And I, iguana, I. When we look at the capital I, when we make it, we do big line down. We come back up, little line across the top, little line across the bottom. And when we make the lowercase I, we start right there and we go little line down and then with a dot on top. All right, I have a couple pictures here of things that begin with the letter I. I bet you can tell me what this one is. Hold on, right here. Igloo. Igloo. That begins with the I. Let's look at this one. This one's kind of hard to tell what it is. And maybe you'll be able to tell or not. I'm not sure. This is ink. Ink. Ink that comes out of a pen so that you can write. So these are the two things that we have and the iguana. So we have iguana, igloo, ink. All right. In your seesaw activities today, you have the letter I work to do. So make sure you do that and make sure you press the green check mark so I get to see your work when you're finished. All right, have a fabulous day.